What's up guys, it's Amelia. Welcome back to my channel and happy Wednesday. So I didn't introduce you last video to Gooby. This is Gooby the snowman. He's from Five Below. So today's video is going to be a Christmas thrift haul because I've been thrifting a little bit recently and I found some really fun pieces and I thought it would be fun to share those with you guys because I think it's really important in this Christmas season to remember that consumerism is not the point, right? It's not about buying things. Yes, it's fun to get presents, it's fun to give presents, but it's not about going out and buying a ton of things and spending a ton of money. And it's a really good time to go thrifting and buy things secondhand. I personally love buying things secondhand. I think it's really cool when something has a story and you can just tell that it's been loved by someone else, and I just think that's really special. So I found some really cool Christmas decor and clothes items that I'm going to share with you today. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you is this gorgeous tray. I don't know where it's from, but it is literally so pretty. I love how it has the garland with the little pine cones and it's just so simple with the red font, and then it has like red trim on the end, and it is just so cute. And this was $2.99 from Goodwill, so this was a really cool thrift find because I feel like at Target or something this would be like $17 at least. I don't know, but I love this tray and I'm definitely going to be using this for Christmas decor every year. So the second thing that I want to show you guys is this sweatshirt, and I have been wearing this, I'm not even kidding, every single day, if not every other day, because it is so comfy and so cute. It's just this sweatshirt that I found at Goodwill, of course. I'm pretty sure somebody made it because it's just a Fruit of the Loom sweatshirt. It's got this really gorgeous embroidery of a Christmas tree that somebody did with a machine, but it's just so simple and cute. It's so grandma chic, it's so my style. When I went to Goodwill and found this, there were actually a couple more. There was a navy one with Santa and there was another red one with Santa, and I only bought this one because I was trying to be, you know, not spending all my money at Goodwill, and I really regret not buying the other ones because it's so cute. It's probably for the best that I only bought the one, but I went back and looked and they were gone. So I've been loving this sweatshirt so much. I love how simple it is, and it's so cute for Christmas with a little tree. So the third thing that I want to share that I found is this little piece for a nativity. So I saw this at Goodwill and it was only like $1, and I thought it was so perfect for my nativity because I have a little nativity that my sister bought me last year and it didn't come with any kind of like manger scene. I was just always thinking I would be on the lookout for a little manger at a thrift store if I ever saw one. Manger, it's like technically people think that Jesus was born in a cave, but we pretend he was born in a stable like this because all the pictures have already been made, so why change them all to caves now? So I bought this little stable and it's got a little star that's kind of patterned. So I'm planning to paint the star gold or yellow, and it's the perfect size for the little nativity that I have. So just be on the lookout for stuff like this at your thrift store because somebody got rid of this because they either didn't want it or they'd lost the other pieces, but it fits perfectly with mine. Also, something to note is the back does have a little broken section, but I'm just gonna super glue it back together and it's not a big deal to me at all. So really fun thrift find to add to my nativity. The next thing that I want to show you guys are these adorable Holly Hobby vintage Christmas glasses that were made by Coca-Cola. So I went to Goodwill a few weeks ago and I saw a bunch of these and I didn't buy them because I was trying to save money. Of course, I'm always trying to save money and I'm always going to Goodwill and I'm always not buying things that I'm seeing and then regretting it. Why do I never learn? But anyway, I saw these and I didn't buy them, and then I went back this morning and they were all gone except for these two. There were a couple different ones with like cats and it was so cute, but I managed to get these two that match, and I'm glad that I at least picked these up because I think they're really, really cool. And I just love the vintage Holly Hobby. It's so cute, and also the way that the bottom is shaped. It goes down and you can see it says Coca-Cola limited edition. Just so cute. And it's fun to have two that match, so I'm glad I got to pick these up for Christmas. So the next thing I want to show you guys is another sweater from Goodwill. So this is a huge Christmas sweater. It's amazing. So this is a large, like, huge sweater, and look how cute the tag is. It just says Nutcracker. How cute is that? It's so chunky and big and long. I think I'm gonna wear it as a sweater dress because it goes mid-thigh on me, so I could totally wear this with tights and boots, or just tights and like flats, and it would look so cute. But I just loved this sweater, how chunky it is, and it has the ornaments with like the gold thread through them. It's so pretty and so unique and so like ugly Christmas sweater chic. It's totally my style. And I also love the look of the more boxy silhouette on top with then like the tights and the like chunky shoes. That's the silhouette that I really love. And I believe this was only like $5. Usually sweaters and sweatshirts are like $5 at Goodwill. It'll be really comfy if you're like having a big family dinner for Christmas, or just going to a Christmas party. I know there aren't a ton of Christmas parties right now, but you could have one with your friends. I just think it's so pretty. So I might wear this like on my birthday, which is Christmas Eve, or for Christmas this year, because I love this sweater so much, and I think it was a really unique find. So the last thing that I want to show you guys is one of my favorite thrifted items for Christmas. I found this canning jar with a handle cup, and it's just really vintage looking, and it just says warm up with hot cocoa, and it's got like a little ribbon on the front. And I just love the white glass for the canning jar with the handle and the little graphic on the front. It's just very like vintage gas station 60s to me. Does that make sense to anyone? I just think it's so cute with little snowflakes on the side. Like, it's adorable. And this was 99 cents, so totally worth it for me. This will be a perfect cup for hot chocolate. Thank you guys so much for watching my Christmas thrift haul. It was pretty short. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that I picked up for Christmas from the thrift store, and I love thrifting, as we know, and I love Christmas. So Christmas thrifting is like the perfect combination. And let me know in the comments if you like to thrift and if you found any fun Christmas things from a thrift store recently. So I hope you all are having a wonderful December and that you're getting excited for Christmas and the season, even though it's going to be a little different this year. I hope that you're still following your traditions and finding a way to spend time with your family, because that is so important all the year, not just this time of year. It's so important to spend time with family. Me and Gooby are having some quality time. And thank you for watching my video about thrifting. I will see you guys next Wednesday for another video. Bye guys. You need Gooby? After Christmas dinner, Gooby.